Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I have an app. This app is a video editing app. So you all must be wondering like how should we start a new Instagram journey like for creating reels or for creating YouTube videos. So this is the best app for you people. This app helps you to create videos. It has a different screen size. It has different rendering option. It has different frame size to render, frame per second to render, different frame per second like 30 fps, 60 fps likewise. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So let's begin. The name of this app is VLLO. So I don't know like how it's spelled. It was written in bold, VLLO. So they have their own website, and this app is available for both the devices like Android and iOS, both the devices. So this app has all the features what a pro video editing software has, but it is also a paid software. So some features are limited, like for color grading or adding some effect you need to pay for this. So the costing is also given in this app. So we'll just get on the screen and just let just explore how all the details of this app are, how we can use it in our day-to-day life, how we can create videos for YouTube or for Instagram and just render them. So here's the app guys, VLLO, video editor and maker. So as you can see, it has 4.7 stars given by 2.2k users. So it ranks 82 on photos and video section in the app store. So this is a long description of this app. You can just go to this description by the link given below and you can just read it. And then here are some comments. So this app uses minimal data. So basically it requests you to give the access for your gallery, as it need to access the photos and videos from your gallery. So that's the main concern what this app has. And other privacy feature is like you need to log in with your Gmail ID, or you can log in with Apple ID as well if you are an iOS user. So just open this app. Okay, so this is a description about this app, what all it has. Let's just close it, and here's the interface. So let me just increase its brightness a bit so that you can view it. Okay, so this is the video what I have created already. It's a project. Let me just play it for you. Okay, so let's just go ahead and create a new video for ourselves, a new project. So let's just click on this, create a new project. Then you have to select any video. So let's just select this video what I have used over here. You can select videos, you can select photos, you can select GIF if you have any, and then go to next. Then you can select the aspect ratio, what mode you want, like you want it for Instagram post, you want it for Instagram reels, and there are various aspect ratios given. You can select the content mode as well, like it should be in the center, it should be vertical, it should be like completely in the center. So let's just select 9:16 and let's just go ahead. So the project has been prepared. So similar settings what you can see on any professional video editing app. So this is how all the setting goes. So here is our clip. So when you click play, it starts playing. So it already has some sound. So you can add more sound as well, or more music as well. You just have a music icon over here. Just click on it and it opens music. So it has already some copyright free music. So as you can see, these three musics are free, and then you have a lock symbol which signifies that these are paid versions. These are paid music which are available, and there are a lot of music available. You can just check it out. So they have one or two samples given in each and every section, so you can check it out. Let's just close. You can add, or else you can add it from iTunes as well. Like if you have downloaded any music on iTunes, any songs on iTunes, you can download it. Then you have my music, which is like you have saved it from some other library, and then you can search the music here over. And then you have recent and bookmark music, so you can add the music that way. and then you have sound effects. So you can record your audio in this as well from this voice music. And for sound effect, you have various sound effect as well for animal like bat flying, bear. Let's just download one and let's just check how the sound effect is. So this is how the sound effects are. So you can add various sound effects as well. Then you can add the voice, like voiceover. If you want to speak anything in the video, you want to put any content of your own, you can add that as well. And then you have option of stickers, text, filters, and many more. And once you're done adding everything, so you can stretch the size of your frames here as well. Okay. I guess this was a fixed edited frame, so I'm not able to change the size. I can also manage my screen from here and then click done. If you want to add more, you can just click over here. So you want to insert some previous project, you want to insert blank scene, so you can also insert a blank screen or any of your video. So if you insert a blank screen, it gives a blank screen before your video. So you can change the size of this blank screen, you can reduce it, you can increase. Similarly, you can change the size of the video. Just click done. So this is how you can create various tracks, like, and you can combine various tracks. And when you click over here, you also have various filters, like, sorry, it's not filter, transitions. So you can select various transitions from here as well. So yeah, it has similar all the details what a professional editing app has. And then once everything is done, you can just go to render, and then which format you want it video, you want it GIF or project. So project is locked for paid version, and then the resolution, and then the frame size. So what we have in resolution, so here are various resolutions given depending upon the sizes. It has 4K as well, and which is free, it is not a paid thing. So you can render your video in 4K as well. And then you have FPS, like it starts from 18 and goes up to 60. And then just click on export. So being a free app, it has some advertisements running, so you need to bear with this, or else you can also go for a paid subscription. So let me just tell you the costing for the paid subscription after this advertisement. Let's just close it, and the video is done. So I can share the video to anyone, or else I can just go and check it in my gallery. Just open my gallery, and here's the video. So this is the video. So this is how you render a video. Let's just go home and let's just see for the pricing. So the pricing monthly costing is 349 rupees per month. For if you go for annually, it's 689. So which comes down to 57 rupees per month. It is having an 84% off. And if you want a lifetime license, then it is 1999 for lifetime access. So yes, I have given the link in the description below. You can go and check out this app. It's really a good app for people who are starting new YouTube journey, or who are about to start their journey. You can create Instagram videos, Instagram reels, YouTube videos, and many more. So just download the app from the description given below, and follow me on Instagram for more such apps. I keep on posting various apps over there. I have given the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.